Right, Senćoþen, Chat. Today I'm going to show you guys how to download the Aboriginal fonts from languagegeek.com onto a Mac computer. Today I'm using a 2017 MacBook Air, but this should work on a MacBook Pro, iMac, any kind of Mac computers. So first step is you want to go to the Safari and you want to go to languagegeek.com. And here's the home page. So you have all these columns at the top. I want to click fonts. There's installation instructions there that you can read if you would like to, but this is just a quick little tutorial on how to download the fonts. So you want to click that first link there, full Aboriginal Unicode fonts. And then at the top, download Aboriginal serif. And just download it here. It's downloaded. So you can check your downloads on the Safari browser itself and just double click that folder. And here are all your fonts. So you can either double click that and it shows you what the font looks like. You can click down here, install font, but rather than do one at a time, I like to do them all at the same time. So how you want to do that is you just want to click like down here and scroll up with your mouse till it highlights all of them. So once they're all highlighted, you can click either one of them. It doesn't matter as long as you click in the highlighted area. Double click and it brings you back to the same page. This one's different. This one isn't bold font, but it's the same. So down here again, you want to click install font and select all fonts at the bottom and install checked. Once you do that, you're basically done. So I'm just going to test to make sure that it worked. I'm going to open up Keynote and just to test the font. So let's see what we got. What fonts do we have? So right now it's Helvetica. I'm going to scroll all the way to the top, and there it is, Aboriginal Sans, Aboriginal serif, and on the right column you have bold, regular, italic, bold, and bold italic, and that's the same for either. So there you go, that's how you download the Aboriginal fonts onto your MacBook.